This feels like cheating, but it's completely free. Google just dropped a new AI photo editor that can erase people from your pictures, fix bad lighting, and even turn your selfies into anime, all with a single command. And today, I'll show you exactly how it works. Welcome back to Glitchbox. If you've ever struggled with editing photos, you know how frustrating it can be. Endless tools, layers, and settings that only professionals seem to understand. But now, Google has changed everything by putting a powerful AI editor directly inside the Google Photos app. No more learning curves, no expensive software, just simple commands, and the AI does the rest. So what exactly is this new editor? It's powered by Google's Gemini AI, and it lives right inside Google Photos under a new section called Create. From there, you get access to two major features. The first is Remix Styles. This lets you completely transform your photos into different artistic looks. Want your portrait to look like an anime character? Done. Want to see your dog drawn as a comic book superhero? Just ask. You can even turn regular pictures into sketch drawings, oil paintings, or 3D style images, all instantly. The second feature is photo-to-video animation. This is where it feels almost magical. The AI can take a still image and bring it to life with natural, subtle movement. Imagine a picture of the ocean where the waves actually move, or a portrait where someone smiles and blinks. It creates short video clips that feel alive, almost like the moving photos from Harry Potter. But the best part is how easy it is to use. Instead of adjusting dozens of settings, Google's AI is conversational. That means you just type or say what you want, and the AI understands. If the sky looks boring, you say, "Make the sky look like a sunset." The AI transforms it instantly. If there's someone in the background you don't want, you say, "Remove the person on the left." The AI erases them perfectly and fills in the space naturally. And it doesn't stop there. You can enhance faces, brighten colors, sharpen blurry photos, fix shadows, and even restore old family pictures that have been damaged over time. The AI is context-aware, so it knows the difference between the subject and the background. That means it can adjust one without ruining the other. Now, let's talk about real-world examples. Travelers are using it to clean up vacation photos by removing crowds. Families are restoring faded, black and white pictures from decades ago. Pet owners are having fun turning their dogs and cats into cartoon characters. And creative people are transforming normal photos into surreal, dreamlike artwork. The AI isn't just an editor. It's almost like a creative partner that helps reimagine your photos in entirely new ways. Of course, no tool is perfect. Sometimes the edits can look a little unrealistic, especially if you ask for something complex. Some advanced features, like generating full-length AI videos with Google's Veo 3 model, are available only with Google's Premium AI Ultra plan. And not everyone has access yet, since the rollout is happening in stages. Right now, it's available first on Pixel phones, but it will expand soon to more Android and iOS devices. Still, even with those limits, the free version is insanely powerful. Just think about it. Tasks that used to take professionals hours in Photoshop can now be done in seconds by anyone with a smartphone. And because it's powered by Gemini, the AI keeps improving. The more people use it, the better it gets at producing realistic results. So what does this mean for you? Photography and editing are no longer about technical skills. They're about creativity. You can enhance, transform, and even completely reimagine your photos with nothing more than a voice command. That blurry childhood memory? Restored. That dull sky on your vacation photo? Replaced with a dramatic sunset. That selfie with friends? Turned into a cartoon. To sum it up, Google's free AI image editor in Photos can remove objects, enhance details, restore old pictures, apply remix styles, animate still images, and handle all of this simply by understanding your commands. It's simple, it's powerful, and it's free. Would you use this over Photoshop or other editing apps? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Glitchbox, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next big tech update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.